Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cut a model in multiple parts in Bambu Studio. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for example, here I have this text, okay? Let's say I'm just going to want to cut it right in the center and then add in some connectors later. So first up, let's just click on the object and press C on our keyboard, or you can just go ahead over to the cut section right here, click on it, okay? Now let's go ahead and find the point. So this one, it's the red one. Okay, and if you want to as well, you can adjust the angle. Okay, as you can see here, you can adjust it however you want, or just keep it straight. Okay, it's totally up to you. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add it in on an angle. Okay, you could also enable cut to parts right here. Now, when you go ahead and click on perform cut, as you can see, it has now been separated by 2. So let's just go ahead and go back. Press C. You're going to want to add in some connector, of course. So that's the cut right there. Add in a connector right at the center. Okay, it could be a prism. The shape would be circle. It's up to you. It could be a hexagon. Okay, what type? It could be a plug, a dowel, or snap. Let's say plug. Again, hexagon, prism, or frustum. It's up to you. The depth, change it if you want to, and the size. And then after that, just hit on confirm connectors and then perform the cut. Okay, that's just basically it. So why add a connector? Because when you cut an object, of course, and you wanted it to be right on top, a connector should be available, or a physical connector. So when you plug that back in, it should be in place. Okay, there you have it. That is how you cut a model into multiple parts in Bambu Studio. Now, if you want to, for example, this one is already cut. Okay, you could go ahead and cut this one however you want as well. Just press on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and then cut it once more. All right, hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.